how to convert any video file into any MP3 audio format. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can convert a video into an audio. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice like Google Chrome. Now once you are inside the Chrome, you can open a new tab and simply search for video to audio converter free and then hit the enter button. Now from here you'll have different types of websites that allows you this conversion for free. So I can choose any website, let's say thefreeconvert.com. Now from here I will choose the file, so I'll choose from device as I have the file locally, and then I will choose the file. Let's say I will be going with this particular video clip. So let me choose this. Now you can see that the file has been loaded, so I can simply click onto this convert button and it says that the file is being uploaded, and once the uploading has been successfully converted, it will show you this done status. So simply click onto this download button and your file will be downloaded in no time. As you can see, the file has been downloaded, and if I go to the downloads option, you can see that this is an MP3 file right here, which is around 93 KB. So that's how easily you can download or convert any MP4 file into any MP3. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.